Hello people, good morning. We are camping today with a motorcycle, of course.
For motorcycle camping, I use the same setup I use for regular camping, for backpacking, or for camping with my car. There is a tent, a sleeping bag and a sleeping pad, a stove, some warm clothing, and freeze-dried food. Everything fits into two side cases, along with instruments, chain lube, and anything I might need. Packing for one night is not much different from packing for a multi-day trip, except for the amount of food I carry. And today is going to be a one night trip, but my side cases are almost full. I also just replaced the tank bag. We'll see how it goes. In the tank bag, there is a water reservoir, charging cables, and some snacks to keep them handy. In the top case, I have a drone and camera batteries and accessories.
Good morning. We'll cook some breakfast. I do freeze-dried meals. Usually I don't want food to cook when you're on your nature. So today is just some cereal mix. Oh, I can see fruit there. Nice. I'm camping in Santa Cruz Mountains with my motorcycle. It's already time for me to check out. So I'm already packed everything out. I just spent a nice night here. I have a lot of friends in the area. Most of my friends actually are here or in Russia, where I'm from. I have my morning tea and I'll go for a ride on Highway 9. After that, it's a beautiful road among redwoods. I'll film something there as well. And yesterday I was riding in Big Sur Hills along the ocean. It was super beautiful, and I had a full day of riding. Yesterday was super tired. So I came here, I parked the bike, just made some meal, had dinner, and switched off in my tent, and I had 12 hours of sleep after that. But yeah, it's a nice morning, and I'm looking forward to another day. And this campground, it's called Henry Cowell's. It's off the season, so it was easy to find a spot here, and there is nobody around here except me. Peaceful. Henry Cowell State Park is near the surfers town of Santa Cruz, which is famous for its surfers and the atmosphere. Nice to a place to spend the weekend or to live in. I have squirrels here running on the trees. They try to catch each other, probably, I don't know. But there are trees covering the whole spot, and squirrels are just chasing each other.
Going back via Highway 9, one of the most beautiful roads in the area. I'll probably have another episode dedicated just to it. This twist among red was deserved. So stay tuned and thank you for watching.